Hello and welcome to this quick guide on everything you need to know about parking at Sydney Airport. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveller, finding the perfect parking spot can be a bit of a challenge. But don't worry, we've got you covered here. The hassle of finding a suitable parking spot at the airport can be stressful and time-consuming. So the solution? Sydney Airport has a range of parking options to suit everyone's needs and budgets. From valet parking to long-term parking, there is a solution for every traveller. So let's start with Sydney Park and Fly. This is an exceptional parking option located near the terminals, providing top-notch service. The shuttle runs on demand, which means you won't have to wait around for a long time at all. Plus, their personal assistance and well-lit area will ensure that your car is safe and secure while you're away. If you're looking for affordable parking for an extended period, then P3 is the way to go. It's a great option for domestic passengers with much lower rates than P1 and P2. And the best part, it only takes 8 minutes to walk from P3 to either of the domestic terminals. Alternatively, the Blue Emu car park is a great budget option, and a free shuttle bus will get you there in around 15 minutes. Now let's talk about valet parking. Virgin Australia offers a special premium class valet service for their Velocity Gold and Velocity Platinum customers. If you are one of these customers, you can head straight to Terminal 2 to use this exclusive service outside the business lounge. And for everyone else, there are regular valet services available at level 3 of P1 and P2, as well as a drive-up valet service on the departures roadway of Terminal 2. So if you're looking for an easy and convenient way to park your car at the airport, these services should have you covered. Now finally, let's look at Sydney International Airport parking. If you're flying from Terminal 1, then P7 and P9 are great options. P7 is a multi-storey car park with clever lighting that makes it easy to find the perfect spot. It offers a free 15-minute stay, which is perfect for picking up or dropping off. Normal rates are charged for stays between 0 to 15 minutes and 3 to 24 hours, and then there's a set premium charge for each day your car remains beyond 24 hours. P9, on the other hand, is an open-air car park, perfect if you need to park for longer. It offers a set rate for stays of between 3 and 24 hours, and a set fee for each additional day beyond 24 hours, although it's typically more expensive than P7. So there you have it, everything you need to know about parking at Sydney Airport. With all these different options available, you'll be sure to find the perfect parking spot for all of your needs. And remember, booking ahead can save you time and money, so make sure you plan ahead and enjoy your travels.